Merhaba arkadaşlar. Welcome to our lesson. My name is Uğur. I'm a teacher and also a native Turkish speaker. This is our first lesson and I would like to make a small talk about Turkish language itself and the nature of our lessons. First of all, I need to tell you that the hardest part of Turkish language is about suffixes. Many languages also have suffixes, but the problem about Turkish language is there are a lot of suffixes, and more than that, these suffixes always change. This is a challenging issue for you, but understanding the logic behind it will help you a lot. On the other hand, Turkish has many advantages that facilitates learning a lot. First of all, Turkish grammar is very logical, and there are very few exceptions to any of its syntax rules, and also has no gender, no masculine, feminine, and neuter forms to master. Secondly, Turkish can be considered as a phonetic language, which means you don't need to care how to pronounce any word because you practically just read what you write. For example, the word father is written as baba in Turkish, consists of four letters b, a, b, a, and you just read it as baba. It is never beyba, baby, bebey, or something like that. If we need to give another example, elma, which means apple in Turkish, consists of four letters again, which are e, la, ma, a, and you just read it as elma. It is never ilmey, elm, or something like that. Last but not least, approximately 10% of Turkish vocabulary is from English, French, and Latin, so that there are a lot of common words. This also makes the language easier to learn. Telefon, televizyon, futbol, basketball, sinema, tiyatro are just a few examples. And about the nature of our lessons are going to be as easy as possible for you to understand better. And also, in our lessons, I will always explain the logic that lies behind the grammar rules, which is very important. In this way, you can learn Turkish language much easier and efficient. Okay, friends, for now, these are all I wanted to share with you before our lesson starts. Wish you success and joy during your journey of learning Turkish language and hope to see you in our following lessons. Goodbye, hoşça kalın.